topic is online colleges. Online colleges have become increasingly popular in recent years, offering a flexible and conventional alternative to traditional brick and mortar institutions. As technology continues to advance, the landscape of higher education has evolved, providing learners with diverse options to pursue their academic goals. In their articles, we will delve into the key aspects of live online colleges, exploring their benefits, challenges, and the factors to consider when choosing an online education path. Number one, accessibility and flexibility. One of the primary advantages of online colleges is the accessibility. They provide a wide range of learners, students from different geographical locations and access courses and degree programs without the need to relocate. Their accessibility is particularly beneficial for individuals who may have personal or professional commitment that make attending a physical campus challenging. Online education also offers a high degree of flexibility. Learners can study at their own pace, allowing for a customized learning experience. This flexibility is crucial for those who are juggling work, family responsibilities, or other commitments alongside their educational pursuit. Number two, diverse course offerings. Online colleges often boast a diverse array of courses and programs from educate degrees to graduate certificates. Learners can choose from a wide range of disciplines. This diversity allows individuals to tailor their education to align with their career goals and interests. Moreover, online colleges frequently collaborate with industry experts to develop relevant and up-to-date curricula. This ensures that students are equipped with the knowledge and skills demanded by today's dynamic job market. Number three, technological integration. The integration of technology is a defining feature of online college. Virtual classroom, discussion forum, and multimedia resources facilitate interactive and engaging learning experience. This technology integration not only mirrors the tool used in many professional environments but also enhances the overall educational experience. Students gain proficiency in digital communication, collaboration, and problem solving skills that are increasingly vital in the modern workforce. Additionally, the use of online platform enables real-time interaction with instruction and peers, fostering a sense of community among online learners. Number four, cost consideration. While online education can be more most effective in certain aspects such as avoiding commuting and housing expensive, it's essential to carefully evaluate the overall cost of an online college program. Tuition fees and technology requirement can vary, and financial aid options may differ from traditional institutions. Prospective students should roughly research the total cost of attendance and explore available scholarship grants and loans to make informed decisions about the financial aspect of their education. Number five, uh, acceleration and credibility. Choosing an accelerated online college is crucial to ensure the quality and recognition of the education received. Accreditation is the process through which education institutions are evaluated to meet specific standards of quality. Employees can other academic institutions often prefer candidates with degrees from accredited institutions. Before enrolling in a program, prospective students should verify the accreditation status of the institution and the specific program they are interested in. This step is essential for safeguarding the credibility and transferability of uncredited credits. Number six, time management skill. While the flexibility of online education is a significant advantage, it also requires strong management skills from students. The absence of regular class schedules means learners must proactively manage their study time, assignments, and deadlines. Developing effective time strategy is crucial for success in an online learning environment. Number seven, social interaction and networking. One potential drawback of online education is the limited face-to-face interaction with instruction and peers. Traditional college settings often provide ample opportunities for networking, mentorshipping, and socializing. Contrast online online students may need to make a conscious effort to engage in virtual discussions, attend online events, and build connections. However, many online colleges recognize the importance of fostering a sense of community. They incorporate virtual networking events, discussion boards, and collaborative projects to encourage social interaction among students. In conclusion, online colleges have re- revolutionized the landscape of higher education, offering accessibility, flexibility, and diverse learning opportunities. As technology continues to advance, the role of online education is likely to expand further, providing individuals with new avenues for academic and professional growth. Prospective students should carefully evaluate their own learning preferences, career goals, and the credibility of online institutions before embarking on an online education journey. While online colleges may not be suitable for everyone, they undoubtedly provide a valuable option for their seeking a flexible and technology driven approach to higher learning.